Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Kanutaloa IP. Today we're going to look at how to use Yeastar IP PBX. We have several physical models. We can start with the S series, which is the smallest, specifically the S20. These IP PBXs are modular, meaning we can add expansion cards depending on our needs. These can be FXO, FXS, a SIM card, an E1 card, or added via a gateway. For the S20, the limitation is the number of extensions. We can only register 20 extensions. We can have 10 active calls at the same time, with a limit of up to 4 cards. These can be FXO, FXS, or a GSM card, 4G or 3G. Additionally, we can register up to 20 SIP trunks. If you need more information on this, you can visit the manufacturer's website. The other series we have is the P series. It starts with the most basic model, the P520, this one here, which is similar to the S20, and from there moves on to rack-mountable PBXs. The smallest model supports 20 users and 10 active calls simultaneously. You can add 4 FXS or 4 FXO ports. It has a slot for one SIM card. E1 ports cannot be added directly but can be added via a gateway. We have the P550 series, which increases the number of users to 50, supports 25 simultaneous calls, up to 8 FXS ports, 8 FXO ports, and allows for up to 4 GSM cards. It also doesn't have a slot for adding E1 ports. We have the P560, which supports a maximum of 100 to 200 users, 30 to 60 concurrent calls, up to 8 FXS ports, 8 FXO ports, and up to 4 SIM cards, and it can also be integrated with an E1 card. With the P570, which is the top-of-the-line model, we can support between 300 and 500 users, with 60 to 120 concurrent calls. We can add more FXS cards up to 16 FXO ports, up to 6 GSM cards, and integrate 2 E1 lines. Throughout the course, we'll see how to use them. If we manage the P or S series locally, we don't need a license. That's one of the advantages. The same applies if we're going to use it with telephone lines to dial cell phone or landline numbers via a gateway or directly with one of the cards. A license is only required if we need remote extensions or if we want to perform any advanced integration. That's all for this video. Without further ado, I'll bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.